Welcome back to Nifty Garage. My name is Sheldon. Today we have a 370Z and I'm going to teach you how to remove your exterior side view mirrors. And when you are removing the tweeter cover, you want to make sure that you remove the door panel first or you're going to break the tweeter cover. Alright, so first things first in taking this door apart, it's very, very simple. Don't overthink it. There's no bolts, no screws, no nothing that holds this on. All it is two little plastic clips, and you pop up and pull it back. You won't see a bunch of switches, I'm sorry. You'll see a couple plugs, and we're gonna unplug them. There's one side. Okay, once you have the window switches out, you're gonna see there's like a little plastic piece right here in the door handle. We need to pop that out. If you get a small pick, this will pop out. No tabs are broken, and you're gonna see a 10 mil in there. And when I'm doing doors, the bolts like to fall, like every time. So I actually have a magnetic 10 mil. It is very helpful. Like you can see, the bolt is still in there. We're gonna come down here, and you're gonna see a little plastic cover as well. And this one actually has like a little slot where you're supposed to open this. And there's gonna be two 10 mils in there. Here's one. The second one is to the left. Once you get those three 10 mils out, what I like to do is go on the bottom of the door, since it's not a visible spot. And you're gonna pry out and do that. And you start pulling. I really wasn't pulling hard at all. You'll see that it just wants to fly off. But don't get too excited here because you'll break your door lock actuator right here. And the reason I take the window switches off first is so you don't break the plugs. You technically could take the door panel off without taking the window switches off, but you're gonna have to unplug this no matter what. So just get it out of the way. And then to get the actuators freed up from the interior door handle, you slide up and out. Same thing for the lock. Slide up and out. Now that we have the door panel off, the actuator is popped out of that. You're going to see a plastic piece right here on the interior part of the door. Those are just by the plastic push clips, like that. So that will come off. I'll set that to the side. And now we're going to take the mirror off. I like to unplug this first. I don't know why. It's not a right or a wrong thing. It's just how I do it. Maybe so I can like kind of hold on to it so the mirror doesn't, I'm not tugging on it, but maybe just so I can hold on to it. And you're gonna have three 10 mil nuts holding that on. And once you remove that third nut, you saw the mirror kind of come down a little bit and just pull directly out the opposite direction of those studs. And there you go. That is how you remove your mirror on your 370Z.